It is not a matter of protection.
That is not a
Since
case.
the election is ongoing and with a view to conduct the election peacefully.
I am assuring your lordship, nothing intends to be done tomorrow. But please don't
Well,
send
then
us back
thereafter
to
they will
10th.
back.
Why? Where officers?
Now, Lord, so
That
far
is
as-
for your officers to take care of.
that is so far as the investigation is concerned. Where is the person whose house
Kindly
was
take-
raided? This
kindly-
thing is his personal secretary.
kindly-
Where does he say so? And where
Kindly
is the-
take
why has that
para
person
4,
not
para
filed the
4
writ
of the
petition?
supplementary affidavit.
Why has that gentleman not filed the writ petition?
Para-
Why is he hiding behind the shadow?
It is not about hiding behind the shadow. If my lord permits, my lord, on the next day I'll join him as well.
No, there's no question.
My lord, kindly may
What
take
is
it up.
the urgency?
My lord, a latest artillery has been now provided to the weaponized police, my lord, for the state, my lord. There are elections, my lord, Tomluk and Ghatal. These two constituencies are going for election day, my lord. My lord, illegal raids are being conducted, my lord. Police is going, my lord, without any basis, without any document. My lord, they have basically घेराव out the houses of, my lord, various, my lord.
What is the order that you are seeking?
My lord, the order is, my lord, there are judgments of the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, insofar as, my lord, search and seizure is concerned. This is one aspect, my lord. Second is, my lord, the police cannot be weaponized. Thirdly, my lord, what the police is doing is within the exclusive domain of the swift action team, which has been constituted by the Election Commission of India, which contains, my lord, which is comprised of, my lord, a magistrate and police officers, my lord. The police is basically completely transgressing, my lord, the limits of the ECI, my lord, or the swift action team, my lord. They are hounding, my lord, at
Is the ECI a party?
no, but the ECI is not a party, my lord, but my lord, the guidelines are there. I'll demonstrate before your lordship, my lord. It will not take more than a
Very
minute,
well.
my lord. State police has been weaponized, my lord, by the, my lord, ruling political dispensation to act, my lord, as a cadre of, my lord, the ruling dispensation for influencing the elections, my lord. Now, my lord, the leader of the opposition, my lord, in the West Bengal Legislative Assembly is before your...
Has everybody been served?
Yes. Everybody has been served.
Is anybody
Now, my lord, this is, my lord, the second instance. Now, this has started since the past 7-8 days, my lord, that the state police is, my lord, a huge, my lord, contingent of police personnel, along with them people in civil dress, my lord, civil uniforms. They are barging inside the houses of, my lord, the various leaders, my lord, belonging to the opposition party, without any rhyme or reason, without disclosing anything, the purpose, whether there is any search warrant or not, my lord. Now, insofar as the leader of the opposition is concerned, the petitioner herein is concerned, my lord. Now, previously, my lord, something very similar was done in his Nondigram party office and in his Nondigram office and residence, my lord. There, my lord, I will not take much time. If my lord kindly takes, my lord, the undertaking given on behalf of the state, my lord kindly takes, we had approached the, my lord, Honorable High Court, page 73 is the order. Mr. Sen, in his usual fairness, my lord, will find page 75.
Yes.
Mr. Sen submits that the police do not need the petitioner as of now. In the event, however, the police require any participation or input from the petitioner in this regard, formal leave of this court shall be sought. So that was, my lord, the same incident. Now here what happened is, my lord, on the 20th of May, now suddenly at the Kolaghat office, my lord, it's a personal office come residence, my lord, where he stays, my lord. Now there was a huge contingent of, my lord, people suddenly who rushed in. They refused to disclose any reason. They tried to, my lord, barge inside, my lord, the premises, and some inside, in fact, got inside the premises. So then, my lord, it was pointed out that this is not the way to deal with it, because the law of the land provides otherwise. And we were suspecting that what they are doing is they're now getting inside the premises, not letting anyone in. They're planting funds or something, and thereafter implicating them in false cases. Now, tomorrow is the date, my lord, which is fixed for the elections, my lord. We sought for leave, my lord, on Wednesday. Yesterday being a holiday, but today the matter was fixed by the Honorable Single Judge, my lord. We served the petition, and we knew what was coming, because something very similar was also practiced in the Nondigram case, my lord. Now what happens is, my lord, as a shield, in fact, I'm grateful to the police administration, my lord. Now they have, my lord, registered an FIR. My lord, the FIR has been introduced by way of the supplementary affidavit, my lord. This is exactly what, my lord, we were presuming. If my lord kindly takes the FIR,
Yes.
my lord kindly takes the FIR The complaint is the suo motu FIR by the OC of Kolaghat Police Station. Page 10 of the supplementary affidavit is the complaint. আমার supplementary affidavit টা কোথায়? ভাই আমি mark করেছিলাম. Why do you keep changing my things, ভাই? It's impossible. It's very difficult. But it kindly takes one of the complaint. Now the complaint states that one Sheikh Mukhtar Ali informed the Circle Inspector Tomluk office that there are arms, bombs and liquid cash amount which is stored at the house of such and such to create disturbance during the poll day. Now this is the house, my lord, which has been taken in rent, my lord. I informed the matter to the BDO Kolaghat and therefore FST team, my lord marks it again, for a reasonable period of time. A delay might have caused shifting of arms, bombs and liquid cash. Myself, along with force, proceeded to search that house at about 6:25 hours. My lord, may kindly mark this as well. After reaching there, I requested the present two members inside the house to cooperate with the search. I also requested the local available persons to become independent witnesses, but they denied. My lord, may also make a note of this, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, 2-3 lines thereafter, a nil seizure list was prepared as nothing objectionable could be located due to continuous resistance from the agitators. And thereafter, my lord, they registered the suo motu FIR. My lord, the incident happened as per them, my lord, at 6:25 hours. Now, if my lord kindly takes the FIR form, they are specifying the time period, page 7, my lord.
548.
5:45, the entire contingent gathered who were, my lord, doing, my lord, to and fro, my lord, in front of the house. The OC came and they rushed straight inside, my lord.
But the flying squad did not come.
My lord, there is no mention in the letter of complaint also, my lord.
It has been mentioned
No,
that
no.
they did not come. And that is the reason.
No,
they
they said
entered.
that, yes, my lord, what? They said that considering the delay, কোথায় গেল আমার? Supplementary. Yes, he says a delay might have caused shifting of arms, bombs and liquid cash. Myself, along with force, proceeded to search the house at about 18:25 hours. But neither the SST was informed, and there is no mention about whether the flying squad arrived or not. There was no flying squad, my lord. Nothing. This is nothing but an afterthought, my lord. This is nothing but an afterthought. In Nondigram incident also, my lord. But a similar incident happened thereafter, my lord. There was a false case similarly registered, my lord. Just with the view, my lord, that, my lord, to disturb the elections. These keep on happening, my lord. Now, the other matter also, item number 7, my lord. That is also same, my lord. That is in respect of Ghatal, my lord. There also, my lord, we had taken leave, my lord, citing that the police has surrounded my house since last night and they are trying to barge inside. They barged inside initially. Thereafter, my lord, they went away and they were waiting outside my house that if you come out, I'll arrest you. The Honorable Court granted leave. Yesterday, my lord, we served the petition at 8:25 a.m. My lord, at 10:30, my lord, the petitioner came out of his house in item number 7, my lord. He was immediately taken into custody. He is the, my lord, General Secretary, my lord, of the BJP in that particular district. So, my lord,
Report say your complaint, suo motu complaint that has been lodged.
Lord, tomorrow is the election.
Yes.
Lordship, we are not intending to do anything tomorrow because the election must be held peacefully.
Yes.
Whatever has happened, Lordship has read newspapers. It's apparent to all of us. This investigation has been carried out. They have come away empty-handed. Certainly nothing will be done tomorrow. But the investigation must thereafter continue with regard
It
to
will
this allegation.
continue, let it continue. But then after the vacations, still 1 week after the vacations, don't do anything with regard to this. The matter will appear in the regular bench. And thereafter,
Well, so please see the name of the petitioner. The petitioner has nothing to do with this case. Who is the petitioner here? It's not a public interest litigation.
no, there is not, this is not a public interest litigation. The petitioner says that the person or the place where you have went for the search and seizure is the personal assistant.
From where
of the
does one get that?
secretary.
Lord, from where does one get that? From where does one get that in the records?
We never knew that the police will come up with such a.
No, please, we are arguing
The
before a court
petitioner,
of law.
the
There must be some document to
Never knew
demonstrate
that the police
this
will come up
gentleman's
with such a.
connection with the case.
is it
Either
not
it-
mentioned in the
In the
petition?
only in the pleading it is there.
Then
Not
the
a single
warrant is
not
there.
Not a single document.
Para
What
25.
document do you want?
to show this gentleman's connection that this is the
That is
BJP
my
party
office. I stay
The-
there.
That
Please.
My lord.
the document that I've shown your lordship shows that it was licensed to a third party.
The third party happens to be the personal
Where does it
secretary.
say
or
so?
Private secretary.
Where does it say so in the writ petition?
Is it not mentioned?
Lord,
My lord, we
my
never
learned-
knew, my lord,
My
that
learned
state
friend,
will be
my
taking
learned
this
friend
for-
will show your lordship.
1 minute.
Because the entire fulcrum of the case is that twice two coordinate judges have given protection to the writ
No, that
petitioner.
is not the
It
case.
is not a matter of protection.
That is not a
Since
case.
the election is ongoing and with a view to conduct the election peacefully.
I am
is
assuring
the
your lordship,
reason-
nothing intends to be done tomorrow. But please don't
Well,
send
then
us back
thereafter
to
they will
10th.
back.
Why?
How-
Where is the difficulty?
that
The
is the
results will be declared on the 4th.
It has nothing to do with the.
The results
or-
will be declared on the 4th.
Look,
If the investigation is to continue, if it continues after 1 week, heavens will not fall. So many matters are pending,
of course, they're pending.
isn't it?
No, lordship may direct.
I will direct the matter to appear in the list on the very first day of the reopening, 10th.
I can appreciate that your lordship does
What
not want
what
to
will you do within 4th and 10th? What do you intend to do?
investigate the matter further. There may be so
Investigation.
many further
Wait for 5 days. You investigate. It is only an interim relief that is the court is contemplating.
Yes, Lord.
It is only an interim measure,
Yes, Lord.
right? Not that the court is telling you not to do anything or
Lordship knows any interim measure by your lordship today will be blown out of proportion in the media tomorrow.
It's not
that
about
is
the
for
media.
your officers.
Now, Lord, so
That
far
is
as-
for your officers to take
that
care
is
of.
that is so far as the investigation is concerned, that has nothing to do with the writ petitioner. We are going to strictly comply with the earlier quadrant bench's judgment. We don't disturb him. We
No,
don't
that
take
is all right.
notice.
Whatever is there is there.
If there's any FIR against him, we shall inform him.
That
If there
is already
intention to
there.
arrest
That
him,
is
we will
already
take
there.
leave. So writ petitioner has nothing to allege, no apprehension to demonstrate before your lordship in any case at all. The writ petitioner can only come up before your lordship espousing his own cause.
My lord, kindly takes paragraph
Where
4.
is this gentleman whose
But
house has
kindly-
been
One
My lord,
minute.
kindly takes paragraph 4 of the supplementary.
where is the person whose house
Kindly
was
take-
raided? This
Kindly,
thing is his personal secretary.
kindly-
Where does he say so? And where
kindly
is the-
take
why has that
para
person
4,
not
para
filed the
4
writ
of the
petition?
supplementary affidavit.
Why has that gentleman not filed the writ petition?
Para-
Why is he hiding behind the shadow?
It is not about hiding behind the shadow. If my lord permits, my lord, on the next day I'll join him as well.
No, there's no question of joining him. The writ petitioner has no cause of action. He has
My
no
office,
standard
the
in the
police is
matter.
coming and saying
Who is saying it is his office? The records don't say so.
that the records have been manufactured.
Please,
But-
please
but
tell me what have
nothing
you
got any-
mentioned
It is
in
not
the
a
writ petition?
But
What
writ-
have you mentioned in the writ
is my-
petition? Charge of Kolaghat Police Station on 22nd of May 2024 has been annexed to the supplementary affidavit that has been filed by the petitioner in court today. Stop. Next. The first information report is also annexed to the supplementary affidavit. Stop. Learned advocates representing the petitioner as well as the state respondents have placed relevant paragraphs of the suo motu complaint filed by the police and the FIR. Stop. It appears therefrom that a search was done inside the building and the searching process was videographed. Stop. A nil Caesar list was prepared as nothing objectionable could not be located due to continuous resistance from the agitators. Stop.